Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna play some Buildable. And let me just get my favorite boat. It's the boat that got me enough money to buy this for 250,000. Let's see what else I can buy. I just have to see how much was the. Does it cost? Wait, I can buy this. Nah. Wait, this is no all access. I'm probably gonna buy some of these. I'm gonna buy like 3. I just want some like 3. Okay. Is my boat gonna load? Let's wait until my boat loads. Guys, try and find the boat. It's not. It doesn't look really good. It looks kind of simple. Was it? Wait. Need something there. I also got enough money to buy a jetpack. Let me save it. It's saving. Okay, save. I also have some extra seeds because one time I did. Okay, that's loud. Okay, let's see. Look at it in action. Hey everyone, bye. Hey, what the hell happened? Okay. I have a jetpack. What the hell happened? Okay, let's cut. Bro, really? Really? Okay. Let's spawn. Wait, I forgot I bought the next. They're actually not even that. Wait, they become. Ready for takeoff. All the balloons ready. You ready? I'm probably gonna buy some more balloons because they're actually really fun to play with. Like, you can make a ship and you can just make a. It's not gonna work because there's no hinge. That's why I put the extra good. Let's see. This boat is actually like what? No, kinda. I feel like I should put something in the box. I should put the motor. Like, yes, I should put them. Because then I can, like, a little bit control it in the air. But I'll probably play. And if I want, I can just not use it. Like, and just get the money. This is all I care about. The money. Give me it. All the money. Okay. Flying. I mean, wait. Why is the motor actually that expensive? Like it. So what? I'm probably gonna buy like this. Like it's not hard to get. Okay, let me just spend all 15 and no, like 10. 8. 8 is a maximum. If I hit this, okay, that's still a lot of balloons. So that means I have 40. Okay, wait, I forgot to put the extra engine. Nah. Okay. Let me just save it in the flying. Oh, wait. I need a jetpack. I'm probably gonna put it later though. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I'm not gonna even control. Yeah.
How do I go?
Okay. The fly. Let me just put a little jetpack. Now I put it in the save. Okay, jetpack equip. Ready for launch. Okay. It breaks completely. Like what? Now it works. Now it okay. I get rid of that. What if I just put more balloons? Oh, that's the problem. Need more balloons. Like it's too heavy. Bruh. Okay, bruh, that's that. He's annoying me. Like, don't worry, I have more balloons where that came from. I have more balloons than you can ever imagine. And how many? Well, oh, there's 4. Okay, if there's 4 left, at least use them. Okay, ready or not, here we go. The balloons in the world. Okay, I also forgot. Wait, it works. Nah, it doesn't. This is a paraglider. Paraglider, Jimmy. Need help? Help! We still need help! Help! Oh, that was dangerous. Hey, who is this guy? Oh, wait. I have an idea. I'm gonna get my brother. Okay. Then we're gonna do some architecture. Because I just did like some. I'm kind of good in this game. I have so many blocks. Blocks. Hey, let me delete this. Hey, where? Okay. It's gonna say disconnected. What? Okay, that was like 4. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, now we get a paramotor. Okay, now we get. What do I get now? Why didn't spend my? I forgot to spend my whole money on balloons. Now I need some. Should I even put balloons? Yes, I should. Of course, I should. I could. First. Get the leaders on. Okay. I should put... No, because then... Okay. This switch is gonna activate all the balloons and it's gonna make us be flying. Now we just put balloons. Okay, looks like we're not gonna have a button. Oh, look, we have it back. Look who came back. Okay. What the heck? No. Okay. What? I need to be ready. Ready for takeoff. What? That. Over with all bones. Impact. Impact. You're a good actor, sure. Don't worry. Justin Architecture Designs Part 1. Bruh! Bye, guys. But guys, that was pretty crazy. If you want to watch more, click the video on screen.